All right, and you have a review question for us.
I do. Actually, it's a question that my kids were doing in class today, and they were stuck on, so I'm going to go do it over on the board. All right, so this is a ninth grade question, and the question is 3x squared plus x times 2x plus 4. And these are two binomials. That means they have two parts, and we're going to multiply them together to make a polynomial. And my favorite method, and my students' favorite method, is when we like to use the area model. So we're going to use the area model, and it kind of makes me think of science. Joe was doing the genetics problem that later on you guys learn about the Punnett square, but we're going to use the area model, so it might help you out later with your science. So we're going to take the first term and write 3x squared, and the second part of that term, we're going to write it up on the binomial up here, and then on the side, we're going to write the two terms from the other one right here, 2x plus 4. So all we're going to do is multiply each term from this binomial with every term in this binomial. So as we go to take a look at this first one, we're going to multiply 3x squared times 2x. When you multiply by monomials, you have to multiply the coefficients together. So 3 times 2 is just the number 6. And then we have to multiply x times x squared. And I just kind of want to show this on the other side, because x times x squared means x times x times x, which is x to the third power. Okay? We don't add the powers. We add the powers to those. We don't multiply them. 2x times x, there's a number 1 in front of here. So we're going to get 2. And again, x times x is x squared. Down here, we're going to multiply 4 times 3x squared. 4 times 3 is 12, x squared. And then the last one, we're going to multiply the 4 times the 1, and we get 4x. So all we did was multiply every single term in each binomial so that these are the things we get. But we're not done yet. So this is just kind of a tool that we could use to think about our answers and sort our answers. So now what we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms and write ourselves a nice polynomial little sentence there. So the first one here, I have 6x cubed. And now I look at the other ones, and I look and I see that this one and this one are kind of like in the same family. They have the same terms. They have x squared. So I can combine those together. So 12x squared plus 2x squared is a 14x squared. And then the last one that we have to write is a plus 4x. So when we're done, this would be the answer to this problem. When you multiply these two binomials together, you get this polynomial.